Good morning, Thursday. 2 little Cottonwoods out in Parker. That's it for today, because if you saw yesterday, I'm supposed to be heading out west with the skid steer, but we've got incoming weather. And I-70 is like the main east-west highway in Colorado, and it goes up through the mountains over a couple passes. And when the weather gets bad, between local idiots, visiting idiots, and trucker idiots, and chain laws, and all of the nonsense, it gets a little bit congested on that road. And typically somebody doesn't chain up, they get stuck, and then all of the traffic gets stuck behind them. So it's a nightmare. So I don't want to do that. So customer was understanding that not a good time to do it if the weather's going to be bad. So that one is going to be postponed for a little bit. I think we're going to try again like 2 weeks, but weather dependent. So we'll see. So yeah, head and go do some Cottonwoods for the clean truck and clean machine. And when I come home, I think I might put new side teeth on the 852. I usually do it every 400 or 500 hours. So this is probably the second or third set that I've done. Maybe second. The new ones will be third. But like, you know, they're not bad. The ones out at the top are a little bit worse. But yes, I think, you know, then a lot of them are broken and really, really small. But I don't really worry about them. But I'll switch the wear plates. So this one will go over here or something. I don't know. There's a way you do it. They're all like keyed. It's just a little bit of a, see, like that one. Yeah, so some of them go from this side to the other side, blah blah blah. But I think I might put the I think it's 34 side teeth, so I might do that today, just to freshen her up for the season. I don't cut that deep. You guys watch. I don't take big bites. I don't know. I like letting the machine have a very easy life. So taking those big bites just isn't worth it, but not to me at least. I know a lot of guys disagree, and that's okay. But yeah, so that's probably what we're going to do today. So let's get after it. We'll see you in a little bit. So I'm working at the edge of a leech field. So this one's a little bit shallower than I normally like to go, but we're not totally sure where the leech field is. We think kind of runs like right at the edge of my cut. So I got down 6, 7, 8-ish inches. I know it's safe. I just don't want to flirt with danger. So that'll be that. So we got one more strip to go. We'll go live and raw. All done over here. Want to give a plug. This job was for Ryan with Back 40 Acres. Guide to greener pasture. Back40acres.com. I'll link it in the description. But mowing, brush cutting, seeding or plugging. He has the grit plug machine, so you can actually get better grass with a lot less material than what I use per se. If you guys are in need, Eastern Colorado, Front Range. I'll put a link for all of his information into the description on this video. But yeah, needed a hand, so we got those stumps smashed. That's it for me today. Like I said, I'm not going out to silt because they're getting rain and snow, so most likely see you guys next week. I think 3 days next week. I have some other appointments I got to deal with. So a short week next week, but that'll be all right. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. You guys are great. See you in a few.